Hello, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Christy's 30 days of sketches, and this is the best 30 days of sketches. So the sketch that I am going to use is for June 10th. It's from series 4, day number 3, the Crafty templates, and this is super gorgeous. I followed this to the T. I think it's wonderful. It was a fun sketch to do, and what I did is that I went onto my Cricut, cut out a perfect heart, and I am going to do the positive and a negative to this paper. So, well, I don't know if this is A or B side, but let's just treat this as A. So I put down the A side, and then I'm going to put down the B side and do like the negative, and it works out wonderfully. I love how this layout turns out. I love using sketches. Sketches is very much something that I use for inspiration. It is something that gets my mojo going if I am in a rut and I'm not sure what to do, especially because of design team layouts. I always want my design team layouts to like be a wonderful 110%, you know, like the best of the best. And that is definitely what I want to achieve when I give you guys those layouts. So a lot of times what I do is that if I'm not getting sparked inspiration on my design team layouts, like, you know, cut files or whatever, I'll do a sketch quick, put that up on my channel, and then, you know, the mojo starts flying, because I always do my batch. I batch scrapbook together for process videos. So I look at my week and I see how many I need to film, and I batch it all in one shot, and then I do all of my voiceovers and everything in one shot. So I try to make sure that I have a variety of different things, and sketches is definitely one of them. So make sure that you go check out Christy's information. It'll be all linked down below. Get into the group, and she has a lot of fun. She's doing the best of the best series that she's had since she's, I think, on number 10 going into October. It's either we're on 10 and we're going into 11, or we're on 9 going into 11. The last 2 years, I wasn't able to really partake like I wanted to because grad school has been a mess. Well, not a mess, but a mess. And so I'm almost done. I'm almost there. January of this coming year, so 2023, I will be done with grad school. Starting September, I will just have my student teaching. So I'm not sure like what my university does for student teaching. My university does a lot of reflections, self-reflections. So it's one of those things where I'm not sure. But anyway, we're getting super close. I am super close where I can just go to work, come home, scrapbook, go back to work, come home, scrapbook, and, you know, all the fun stuff. Plus, you know, obviously have time for family and, you know, everything else. But, you know, that's a given, or at least I would hope it's a given. So I am using one of the hip kits. I think this is either the March or the May collection. It may be April's collection. This is April because it has some like Easterish stuff in it too that I don't actually use. So I literally used a lot of the Simple Stories collection that is for like gardening and turned it into a layout about my daughter bowling for the first time and actually getting down bowling versus using the little tool that the kiddos can use. It's that little I don't know what you want to call it. It's a piece that they put down. It's like the cheater piece for ones that don't know how to bowl quite yet, or not old enough to bowl that can do the actual true motion of bowling. So this was the first year, and so that's what it is. So I was like, my title's going to be, "Hey honey, be happy." Because I think, you know, she was super happy to do this. It was exciting. This was one of the mayor programs, day out. We were starting to get, the morale was going down because we had so much, you know, there was a lot of negative stuff going on at that point. And so we came together and just wanted to like boost the morale a little bit of our mayor's program. So it was family night out and we could go and all that fun stuff. So this is almost done. So now I'm going to do my splatters, and then obviously, as you can tell, I did not do my border around. So I'll do the border, my little white border around, or my black border around the 2 pieces of paper, just to add that little bit more depth. Obviously, the still shots are coming up. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. If you have not already, go back and check my 3,000 subscriber giveaway. It is done, and on the 14th, and then I will go pick my 2 giveaways, and international and US will get picked. So go check that out. Like and subscribe. I would love to have you. Go check out Christy's sketches, and y'all have a wonderful day. Stay safe, and I will talk to you.